Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt Vassallo here with TRW. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use the new TRW Super Monogram font. So you can create awesome looking decals like this right here with our Bling Anything material, rhinestones, and heat transfer vinyl. I use glitter heat transfer vinyl on this one. So I want to give a quick tutorial on how to use it in CorelDRAW here. So I'm using the TRW Design Wizard, but we don't have to necessarily have the Design Wizard. So a few different things. When you purchase it, you're going to get all of these fonts that you see off here to the right. So let's just say I want to make this decal with an EG. I'm going to come over to my text. I'm going to type lowercase e, uppercase G. Okay, and I want to choose the two-letter. The S is the rhinestone version, the V is the vector version. So two-letter stone, and there we go, our EG is good. If I wanted this to be MV, lowercase m, uppercase V. If I wanted it to be SJ, lowercase s, uppercase J. So we're going with the EG on this one. Now what I want to do is I want to make sure to go ahead and get this with some heat transfer vinyl or sign vinyl or something behind it to make it really pop. So to do that, I'm going to Control C and Control V, copy and paste, and I'm going to change this now to a yellow color just so it's a different color, and I'm going to choose the mono vector version and then send it to the back. And you can see how it just lined up perfect with it. And that's ready to go. Now what's really cool about the TRW Design Wizard with the two-letter one, if I hit Find Text over here, you'll see the EG. If I do an exclamation point and then EG, now it all types at the same time. So I basically just made this decal right here just by typing that. If I wanted it to be MV, again, just find text, come over here, and I want to change that to an MV. If I want a JR, so EG. So the two-letter one is really, really simple. When we get into the three-letter, and the four-letter, it gets a little more difficult, but still a million times quicker than you're going to be able to do it on your own. Now remember, you can also use each of these by itself as well. If you wanted just a rhinestone version, there you go. If you wanted just a circle monogram, you don't have to do the rhinestone. So this is really a bunch of different fonts inside of one font, which is really cool, and that's why you see all of these different fonts here. So let's just go ahead and duplicate this. Now I want it to be for TDJ, okay? Now this is the three-letter version, so let's go 3L left. All right, you'll see that third letter is never going to come out right off the start because that's why you have the right version here. So what I want to do is I just want to highlight that last letter, which is the J, and I can't click on the right here, and I see that's what some of you are doing. We're going to update the wizard to simplify all of this in the version 5 of the wizard, but all you do is you go to CorelDRAW right here. You'll see the Super Mono, and it's going to show you all the fonts. So I want the 3L right version. Click on that, and that three-letter monogram is done and perfect. So what's really amazing about this font, you'll see similar type fonts where it's maybe 2 and 3 letters. We have 2, 3, and 4, but where you have to put on all these crazy codes and different buttons and crazy stuff. Just type it in ours and choose the left version and the right version. So now that I have that, I want the rhinestone version of this. So I'm going to copy and paste it. And I'm just going to turn my paste into the yellow. And then I want the stone version of the three-letter. Okay. Now again, see how it changed it to the weird version? That's what I see a lot of you are doing. Don't do it there. Do it here in CorelDRAW. So when I come in CorelDRAW and I choose the three-letter left, see what it's doing now? And now same thing, highlight that last letter, and now I'm going to come over and choose the three-letter right, and that's done. So there's our decal. Now if we want to create this into a pretty awesome looking decal, check this out. First thing we got to do is we get our stone size right, because I can adjust this to any size I want, right? But that doesn't mean my circle sizes are right, okay? So highlight my design. I'm going to come over to my SS10s, and I'm going to hit 10 for SS10s. And now it just arranged all of it perfect for SS10s. It's done. It's pretty simple, isn't it? Now I want to add a little border around it, kind of like I have on my EG here. So to do that, I'm just going to click on that outside layer. I'm going to do a magic boundary. Let's do a 0.1 magic boundary. That added my boundary around it, and I'm done, good to go. So let's just act like we wanted it to be like this. Maybe we want a blue glitter. So I'm going to come over to my magic glitter. I'm going to choose a blue glitter. And then for the black right there, I'm going to choose a white glitter. And then for the stones, let's select the same color. And I want all crystal stones. So I want this to go, and it's about 3.2 inches with that circle around it. So I want this to go on an Arctic mug. Watch this. Go to my mockups. The product I want is a custom one that I put in. I want my Arctic mug, so I'm going to save my product. And then the design that I want is this design right here. So I'm going to save my design, simulate my stones, create my mockup, and boom, there you go. Perfect on the Arctic mug, stone simulated with the glitter and everything to show the customer exactly what this is going to look like. And these are dishwasher safe. You've never seen a font like this before. There's not one out there, okay? We figured all this out to be able to do it with stones, to do it with glitter, to do it with sign vinyl, or just do glitter, or just do sign vinyl. So if you just want to throw a glitter monogram on a hat in a circle, you can use this font for that. If you want it in just rhinestones, you can use this font for that. If you want it as a multi-deck, obviously you can use this font for that. So many different things that you can do with this font, whether it's a 2-letter, 3-letter, or 4-letter. It's absolutely amazing. This font is going to make you guys so much money, and I'm so excited about it. So thanks for watching. If you do have any questions, please comment below here on the YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe, and we will see you guys soon. I'm also going to put a link directly to the font right below this video as well. Thanks for watching, guys. You have an amazing day. We'll see you soon. Later.